Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Wealth Squad. Today we'll be talking about three stocks that already doubled from their low just a couple months ago. And this, I think, is the start of the comeback, if not just a short squeeze to get most of these bearish traders out of here. I think I'm not entirely sure what it is yet. Is it a full-on recovery? Is it just a discounted, overgrown tech stock type recovery? Or is it just a fade and we will see the end of it very shortly? We will see. Who knows? But I will show you the three stocks that are leading this comeback and that have doubled already. I wouldn't say leading just because they're smaller in market cap, but based on percentage wise, these are the winners. So first off is Roblox. As you can see, Roblox from the 52-week high of 141 to the 52-week low down about 84.5%. So since this low of $22, 21 and $21.50, we're up just about to $41. So up 88% at one point earlier today, definitely above that. So a double from the low back in May. So in 2 months, the stock has doubled. That is what you are getting at here. And Roblox is not a super small company, has a decent market cap for a company that's been obliterated, but is the biggest of the bunch that we'll see today. Next on our list is another stock that has some long-term potential, and that's Chewy. So Chewy's been around longer than Roblox. As a public company, as you can see, went public in 2019, went from 37 down to 21, up to 120, down to 22 again, and now we are right back at 44. It seems another double from the low, and you can see basically just the earnings recap here. First 3 quarters lost expectations. The next 6 beat expectations, right? And then you start seeing the downtrend again. Lost expectations, lost expectations, lost expectations. And then June 1st, we see another win and it starts coming back. So Chewy is one of those stocks that's kind of resistant in terms of you can't bring it to zero. Chewy has a strong, very strong brand name. I will say, based on my experience working with Chewy, their customer service is A+, A1. You cannot get any better than Chewy customer service. If your pet dies, they'll send you flowers. If you have food left over because your pet died, they'll send you flowers for the pet, and then they'll refund you back your dog food or whatever, and ask you to donate to your local dog shelter instead. They're a company that cares, essentially. Now, is that profitable? I mean, we'll see, right? We have to check the financials, but it definitely creates a strong customer service background, and you're more likely to shop at Chewy rather than Petco at your local mall, right? Because Chewy has that customer service. They take the extra step. Plus, it's more convenient to order online anyways. So look out for Chewy long term. I do believe it's a stock that you could hold and you won't regret doing so. Lastly on this list, a smaller company than the rest here. This one's a recent IPO back in March of 2021. Bumble went public at $72, and that day or the day after was the highest it's ever been, the day after. Since then, it's fallen to a low of $15, and now we're right back at 35. And that was March of 2022. So that was before May, even though May did have that same deal, $17, and now we're at 34. So a double from May. Same with Roblox and Chewy. So they're all following the same path, a double from May. Now, is this sustainable? No, not likely. But this is something that we saw during COVID times. Here's a stock that I reference a lot. Penn National Gaming. During COVID, this stock got absolutely cratered, absolutely crushed. Went from $38 to $4. Okay, so it was at $4. This stock went from $4 all the way up to 140 in a year's time, up 3,000% in a year. And since then has fallen back down. It's gone from 140 down to 30. So a stock where it just nonstop growth, it happens. It's not often, but it does happen. So any one of these stocks could keep going. Who knows if it will be 3,000%, but it can keep going for longer than we expect. That's the hard part. You don't know when it's going to stop. You don't know when the music will end, or when the tide runs out. But you can book profits on the way, at least trade near, after a lot of months with just your profit. You already sold your regular position that you bought in with, and now you're just holding profit. So these types of runs do happen. Up 3,000% a year is very, very, very uncommon, but it does happen. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. These three stocks, Roblox, Chewy, Bumble, have all doubled the market cap stock price from May. It's been a month and a half, about 2, since these stocks have doubled, or they doubled in that time frame. In 2 months, the stock has gone from 5 to 10, or 20 to 40, or 50 to 100. So it could happen to these stocks. It could happen to a lot more. I want you to be on the lookout for companies like this. Overblown tech stocks basically is what you should be aiming for. So I hope this helps you in some way. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.